In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Touch ID and Passcode. Then select Turn Passcode on, hit Passcode Options and tap on the best one for you. 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Whatever you decided, after tapping on chosen one, you get to create it. And if you see this kind of pop-up, your passcode is too easy, so you should change it. I will tap on Use anyway though, because this is just an example. Now repeat it to confirm it. And wait. If you want to, you can also input your password to Apple ID in order to secure your login method. If you don't want to do that, hit cancel. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that passcode is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!